Sealants, an unsung hero of construction. They may be small, but their role in protecting buildings is monumental. Sealants act as barriers, safeguarding structures from water, air, and other environmental stresses. They ensure durability and robustness, keeping buildings standing tall for years. So, what exactly are sealants? They're materials designed to block the passage of fluids through surfaces, joints, or openings. Flexible yet strong, they create an impermeable seal where different materials meet, protecting your building from infiltration. Sealants rely on two essential properties: adhesion, their ability to bond with surfaces; cohesion, their internal strength to resist breaking under stress. The science of sealants combines chemistry and physics. They form strong chemical bonds with surfaces, ensuring durability even under extreme conditions like moisture or UV exposure. Physically, sealants create a solid or flexible barrier, keeping water, air, and other elements at bay. For instance, silicone sealants block moisture, preventing mold and structural damage. Buildings are constantly in motion, expanding, contracting, and even shifting during seismic activity. Sealants are designed to stretch and compress without cracking or losing their bond, maintaining protection in dynamic environments. Sealants undergo a curing process, transitioning from a liquid or paste to a flexible solid. Whether triggered by air, moisture, or temperature, this process enhances their strength and flexibility, making them ready to tackle environmental challenges. Sealants, a crucial component in modern construction. But did you know there are different types, each designed for specific tasks? Let's explore the most common types and their unique applications. Silicone sealants. Silicone sealants are highly flexible and durable, perfect for joints in facades, windows, and doors. Resistant to UV rays and extreme temperatures, they remain effective even in harsh weather conditions. Polyurethane sealants are tough and abrasion-resistant, ideal for heavy-duty applications like sealing expansion joints in concrete. Plus, they can be painted over once cured, making them versatile for industrial and commercial use. For interior spaces, acrylic sealants are the go-to choice. They're easy to apply and paintable, making them great for sealing gaps in walls and ceilings. However, they're less flexible, so they're best suited for areas with minimal movement. Rubber-based butyl sealants excel in water resistance and adhesion, making them perfect for roofing, weatherproofing, and sealing windows and doors. Sealants protect buildings from water, air, and contaminants. Here's where they make the most impact. In the journey towards sustainable construction, sealants are evolving too. Let's explore how they contribute to eco-friendly building practices and the challenges that come with their use. Modern sealants are becoming more environmentally friendly. Low VOC sealants reduce the emission of harmful chemicals, making them safer for both people and the planet. Durable sealants that last longer minimize waste and the need for frequent reapplication, aligning with the principles of sustainability. Despite their benefits, sealants face challenges. Harsh environmental conditions can cause degradation, leading to cracks or loss of adhesion over time. Regular inspections and maintenance are essential to ensure sealants remain effective and prevent potential issues. Choosing the wrong sealant for a specific application can result in premature failure. Selecting the right material for your building's needs is critical for long-term success. Sealants are vital for protecting buildings from water, air, and temperature changes. Their role in ensuring structural longevity cannot be overstated. With advancements in sealant technology, particularly in eco-friendly options, the future of building protection looks promising. From roofs to bathrooms, sealants ensure every part of a building remains protected. Choose the right sealant for the job and safeguard your structures for years to come. Thanks for watching. Till the very end, please don't forget to like, share, and comment.